Good Tuesday morning. It's January 29th. Thanks for joining me. I'm Joe, and we're doing core to force this month. I'm this week missing my workout partner, but I'm going to power through anyway. Today is core to force Power Sculpt, day 13 on the core to force calendar. I don't know why I held up one hand, but day 13, and it is my 29th day in a row. It's the 29th day of the year of at least one BeachBody workout a day. So I'm pretty happy about that, and I'm just getting real consistent with BeachBody workouts for the first time ever. So I'm real excited about that. Today's Power Sculpt, and we're going to get right into it. It's a 36-minute workout. I'm just going to press play here and go. Guess I need a little audio. Thanks for watching. This was Power Sculpt, core to force, day 13 of the program. As you can tell, I'm drenched in sweat in 36 or 37 minutes. Had to do a bunch of modifiers because I'm having some issues, but pushing through it, fighting through it, and just gotta do what you gotta do, right? This is life. This is what we gotta do. Get in the best shape possible. Be a good example for others. Be a great coach. Anyway, you have a great day. Make it a great day. It's all up to you. You have two choices. Make it a good day or a great day. And little Ava Kalea makes it a great day every single day. You do too. Lots of love and aloha.